Hey guys, just a very quick market update today. I've got somewhere I gotta be, but I just wanted to bring this to your attention that I'm seeing a lot of people across the space getting very bearish at the fact that, you know what, the bulls aren't stepping in, things are looking weak, we're not gaining any momentum, we're just kind of tapping away at support. It's only a matter of time until we absolutely capitulate. But something I want to bring to your attention is, did any of these bear market bottoms look bullish? No, they looked absolutely disgusting, just like the one we're in right now. Me personally, I don't see the reason why this would be the first bear market in Bitcoin's history that it would need a second capitulation to just a second capitulation continuation pattern to the downside after breaking our kind of mid-cycle support level. I mean, if you look at this level, it's obviously very important. As soon as we lose this level in this bear market back here, we get our final capitulation, our accumulation zone. Same thing here, our infamous descending triangle, our final capitulation, accumulation zone. And yeah, here in this current market cycle, got our support level broke, got our, what I'm going to claim, it might be premature here, but final capitulation and sideways accumulation. Once again, anything can happen. Obviously, if we drop this support level, flip it into resistance, everything about my analysis changes at that point. But I just want to just mention again and really harp on the fact that, you know what, guys, support is support until it's broken. I have my 786 Fibonacci line lines up perfectly with the bottom of my green box there. You guys know I absolutely love 786 Fibonacci levels. I got this market cycle all-time high resistance, which would make an absolutely beautiful support flip if it were to play out. I have a whole bunch of reasons outlined in my Bitcoin cheat sheet video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go and check that out. There's a description in my link below. But yeah, basically RSI is lining up the same as it did in our previous bear markets. Hell, you can even look at this current downtrend line. The RSI broke on the weekly, has actually ending up getting that resistance to support flip as well. I mean, to me, that's just an early warning sign that this is an accumulation zone and we are getting ready to start creating higher highs and all that sort of stuff. Obviously, this could trade sideways for quite some time. I'm not saying that it's going to be a smooth road straight up to all-time highs, but I think that a lot of people are a little bit too bearish while we're trading at support. People love being super bearish at support, and things always look weak as hell, like they're about to dump to the abyss when we are trading at support. You just cannot convince me that these bottoms of these bear markets back here looked bullish. And just to kind of make a more fair comparison here, let's just look at my weekly chart here, what we currently have going on. Again, we still are in my support box here. Yes, it looks weak as hell, but let's look at the previous bear market where we had our infamous descending triangle, our capitulation, started finding support here. This was in fact the market bottom, you guys. You cannot convince me that this looked bullish whatsoever. It looked like it was losing a ton of momentum. It looked like a continuation pattern, but it never happened. The market cycle before that, same thing, got our final capitulation, started holding this support box. You cannot tell me that this looked bullish by any means. It all looked like shit. It all looked like it was about to dump to hell. None of it looked good. Just like right now, none of this really looks good, the fact that we can't gain any momentum. But you know what? The signs are there. We're holding my support. We're above my 786 Fibonacci level. We have bullish divergences absolutely coming out the ass. Look at this massive RSI divergence. We're just curling to the upside right now. The RSI has actually gotten higher than when we were trading at these levels here. So to me, again, it's just kind of looking like an early warning sign that we might be ready to trade a little bit higher fairly soon here. These are just a whole bunch of things lining up. Again, you know my opinion. I've been very vocal about how bullish I am, possibly too bullish, because I know I sound like a moon boy, and I have for over a month now. Again, guys, as soon as this support breaks, I will change my tune. Unless it's one quick wick and we get back up there, kind of a bit of a bear trap below. You know what? That's absolutely a possibility. But if we start closing candle bodies below this level and respecting the box as resistance, yes, my trading strategies and my opinion goes straight out the window, and we're going to have to reevaluate from there. But as it stands, I just want to really drill this into your heads that, you know what, it is support until it's broken. We got all these bullish divergences. And once again, none of these market bottoms looked any better than the one we're currently in. Just something to keep in mind, you guys. I'm not telling you what to do. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. I'm just showing what I'm kind of looking at here, and so many similarities in the charts. If I were a betting man, and I definitely am, I am just kind of betting on the bullish side is all. I am not willing to take shorts at these support levels. I do not want to short into a support with heavy bullish divergences, especially with all these similarities with these previous market cycles. Again, yes, you know what? Things happening in the news, the economy's an absolute disaster, all that sort of stuff. But you know what? Back here, there was absolutely reasons why Bitcoin was going to go much lower. And back here, there was absolutely a ton of reasons why Bitcoin was going to go much lower. And you know what? It didn't. So I'm not saying that it can't happen. I'm just saying at least be open to the possibility that we do not have to go lower. The market doesn't give a shit about our feelings, and it doesn't have to do anything just because we want it to. So as far as I'm concerned, this is a beautiful spot buying opportunity. Leverage trading, it totally depends, you know, what you're into, what works for you. Me personally, I've been heavily biased towards the long side, just kind of sniping 786 on smaller time frames, some things like that. But yeah, I just really wanted to kind of make that comparison for you guys. Just that, you know what? Yes, it looks weak, but you know what? Every single market cycle bottom has looked weak up until this point. So, you know what? In my opinion, nothing has changed. I still like to play my odds. I don't always understand the news or the fundamentals, but what I do understand is repeating patterns and drawing lines on charts. So that's what I'm going to stick to. That's going to be my game plan. My fingers are in my ears, my eyes are on the charts, and that's how it's going to be. So if you guys appreciated this quick market update, please do me a favor, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And with that, I'm out. Stay safe, my friends. Peace.